Hello, business finance students. This is the syllabus. My name is Sayed. I am your instructor for this course. And this is the syllabus. And here is my name and my phone number. Actually, you can call. My extension is 9259. But if you call, they will transfer you to me. And I am usually in my office. And here is my email. And this is the book we are using. You do not need to buy any books because this book is provided to you through Brightspace. And one thing is that you may be wondering where these books are coming from. Every student will be charged a flat fee of $50 in, when you look at the statement of your, school statement, financial aid, or, your charges, you will see one fee of $50 for all the books, actually. That means for every book, if you pay for one of them, the other ones are covered as well. It's only $150 per semester. Some students prefer to have hard copy books, and they have to pay $9.99 to Cengage, and they will ship you the hard copy book, but most likely they want your credit card, and what you pay is just the shipping. You won't be charged for the book itself. And then here the course doesn't have any prerequisites. This is the description of the course, and we are hoping to cover these 6 outcomes. And this is what the course is going to be focused. And these are some, policies regarding late submissions. And the way we grade this class, you will be graded, is that we will heavily focus on the discussion board, on weekly discussions, and we give you some projects. You post it on the discussion board, and that, has 50% of your grade. And then we give you some assignments. I'll show you the assignments. They are 40%, the assignments from the book. And we give you some outside assignments, and that is 10%. And if by any chance, you run into issues in the middle of the semester, you want to withdraw from the course, it is the student's responsibility. We are expecting the students to be honest, in their work. And also regarding Americans with Disability Acts, if there are some students with disabilities, they let us know, and we try our best to accommodate them. And also, this is Title X, Title 9, that we say that the college doesn't, discriminate based on race, religion, copyrights issues. We are hoping that we are expecting the students, respect the copyright laws. And here is substantive interactions. That means we are hoping that to spend a lot of time with the students in terms of, engagement with the students. I will send you a lot of, videos and discussions, and we want to have an interactive class. FERPA is about we keep the privacy of the students. We respect that. And then this is where the classes start, January 21st, today, Tuesday, classes begin. And we post the assignments, on the first day of the week, which is usually Sunday. And we give the students until, Monday, we post the assignments. And we are expecting the students complete the projects by Sunday of next week. Excuse me. You have until Monday of next week it is 27th, which I think becomes Monday of next week, to drop your classes. And those students who are planning to graduate, hopefully fill out their graduation form by that time. I know some students are graduating and they have already done that. And then March 17 to 21 is a spring break. And then after the spring break, the classes, March 24th, start. Last day to withdraw, March 29th. Therefore, in your classes, if you run into issues, you think you cannot finish the class, it's much better to withdraw the class. That way, you don't get a F grade and then failing grade. And then On March 29, we start registering students for fall and summer. And then we have the final week, which is April 29 to May 3. And that is, and here, these are, if we change anything, any dates, any projects, we let you know. And this is what we are going to cover, the chapters. And as you see, the final week would be, actually, there is not any final exam in this class. As I said, you already know about the grading of the class. Now I'll show you the site of the course. And if I come here, you see that this is the finance class. First, I want to show you, in case, here you go. When you click here, content, you will see your class. And as you all know, all of your classes are hidden in here. When you click, you see your list of classes here. Therefore, this is, a table of content. Although here is written 179, that is, you won't see a lot of these. These are hidden. Do you see this black dot here? This is hidden from you. All you will see here, when you click start here, you have 6 items here. But for this week, January 21 to 26, there are 14 items. I click here, start here. You see 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more 6. Course netiquette, then you have heard of etiquette, means that, netiquette means while you are on the internet, you respect others, you try to be nice to others. That's, the concept of, I want you to click there and, look at what's written. Course procedures, how we proceed with this course, the technology that you need. You already have Brightspace, you already have computer, you already have internet, you know about this. Usually college students are encouraged to spend around 6 hours, to 9 hours, per week per classes. As you all know, you are not attending regular face-to-face classes. Let's not forget, the students in face-to-face classes spend 3 hours every week. Here, it's an online class. Therefore, 3 hours we spend, to hear from each other, and then maybe it's 6 hours maybe we spend on, assignments and try to learn the subject. If you need tutoring, this is tutor.com. When you click next step here, it asks you, look at here, it tells you when I click here, it says that, click on January 21. What does it mean is that it says that on the left side, it is written January 21. When I click here, you see all the things for January 21 to January 26. Here is our introduction. I have clicked here and I have introduced myself. Hello from Sayed. When I click here, you see everything about myself. And then you can click, create new thread, introduce, like a good introduction, write a good introduction. And that way we can communicate. We can, we know who you are, and students will be encouraged to talk to you. We are going to learn a lot from each other. This is a very interesting and important course. You will learn significantly about the companies, about the finances. If one day you want to have your own business, if you want to be a finance manager of a company, and finance is a very, great field. There are a lot of jobs for people who are familiar with finance, and therefore I'll click here again, and I will show you. I go back in here, which I am already here, and here this is written animated video. This is a short video, 2 minutes. You will learn about components of capital. Here again, it's a 2-minute video. You will learn a lot. On this one, if you look at here, it says quick lesson, and then it's a video, but at the end it says click the arrow to begin your quiz. The quiz is so simple. There are 2 simple quiz, and it will give you the answer. That's great tool. Look at here. I click here, and it opens. The quiz is going to be opened, and then it's not, at first it gives you a video, 2-minute, 3-minute video. And then after you watch the video here, which is 2 minutes, then it says click on the arrow. You click here, and the assignment opens here. As you see, start assignment. Do you see here two questions? Suppose you imagine that you click A as your correct. You can check your work. You click on it, and suppose it says, oh, it is wrong. You say, maybe this is C. You click here, check my work. And the C was the answer. Therefore, the first question is answered. You go to your second question, and then imagine that you click here, check my work, and suppose that was good. You say after you find the correct answer, click submit. And guess what? You get 2 points and it gives you the answer. That's a wonderful way of getting 2 points because it allows you to check your work. The goal is to show you, to encourage you to, watch the video and then come back and, learn something. Now I want to talk about your book. This is the book here, right here. Imagine you click on this X and I want you to see what happens. When you click on X, this screen pops up. This screen is about all the assignments for chapter 1. You don't do the assignments on this screen because you already know where your assignment is. This is the assignments are. These are all the total assignments. You don't need to do anything to here on this screen. All you have to do is to go back in here. You click on content. And as you all know, your assignments are very nicely put in this folder. Get your assignments from here. And also, I want to show you something about your books. If I click here, and let's say if I click here, as you see, your book will show on the right side. And here it is. It takes a few seconds. And then after the book shows on the right side, imagine you want to read the book. This is the book. I click on it. And here a screen pops up. I am not happy with the fact that the book is so small from here to here. Can I expand the screen? Yes, you can expand by clicking here. This one will pop up. As soon as I click there, these arrows that expand, they allow me to expand. When I click here, look at here, the book now has been expanded. And when I click here, I see that chapter 1, if I want to read chapter 1, this is chapter 1, and these are the outcomes of chapter 1. If I click here, it goes to the, next page and go, Therefore, I want you to just click and become familiar with each one of these, functions of Cengage. And as a student of Cengage, you can have access to hundreds of books for free. Which means if you go to your Cengage site, for that $50 that you are paying, you have access to all Cengage books. Therefore, if you have any questions, you let me know. Go ahead and write a good introduction of yourself. And we are here to help you. And we are going to learn a lot from each other.